Hey everybody, I'm Jed Toffer with White House Custom Color, and today we're going to talk about clipping masks. Now, clipping masks are basically placeholders for the most part that you're going to see in a lot of templates. This template in particular from our resources site is going to have 5 black boxes. Now, those black boxes are image placeholders essentially that you can use to drag and drop images into and then clip around. So I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to drag this image into my file. It's going to show up right there, kind of in the back. In my layer stack, I'm going to drag the image layer on top of the layer that I want to clip it into, okay? And that's basically going to be this very first black box in the upper left here. So I'm going to kind of hover over there, put it about where I want it, and then I'm going to hit Option, Command, and G, or Option, Control, G if you happen to be on a PC. I'm using a Mac right now. Then you'll notice that in your layers stack, that layer now has this little arrow on. I'll go back and forth so you can see. It appears once you clip it, right? So that little arrow there basically means that this image file is being clipped to the layer below it. That's one of the ways that you can do this. Now you'll notice that once I do that, that the image is bound by the parameters of that black box or that image placeholder that exists right below it in the layer stack. So I can move this around. I can even transform it if I hit a Command or Control T. I can transform it inside of there, you'll notice. I can put it right where I want it and get it right to the size that I want it, and hit Enter and apply that. Now you'll notice there's a few different ways to do this too. Let me pull another image in and show you another way to do this. If I pull this image in, I can place it about where I want it. Let's put this right underneath it. And then I'm going to drag it and drop it right over in the layer stack, place it right over the image placeholder that I want that to be placed on. And now here's a different way to do this. If you just hold down Option, you'll notice if your cursor is right in between the layers that you get that little icon. If you click that, it'll clip for you, and it goes right around that placeholder. Again, if I'm using my Move tool, I can just move the image around wherever I want it and get it right where it needs to be. And I do this 3 more times, and this card is done. Once again, if you want to do this, you can grab this resource from our resources site. And if you want to do this online, you can go to our card editor and just do it through the web. And those links are right below the description of this video.